Hi everyone, meet my one and only oscillator. Scratch built, job lots of bits on eBay. This came in nice, sort of lovely and cheap. Not really all that keen on oscillating engines, but it fits in with what I want to do with it. Got this thought in my mind about a generator room diorama thing. This will be the auxiliary generator and the Jowett engine the main generator, or something like that. So all I've got to do on this is to make a pulley. I've already drilled for the pin to go through. I need to make an exhaust pipe for the back here, but it should be alright. Then drill a hole in it for a grip hole. Oh, there's my little oscillating engine. I hate saying that. I don't really like oscillating engines, but there you go. It's in position, ready for its first steam test. I haven't put the exhaust pipe in yet, and of course it needs a dynamo to drive, and it will wind up as the generator room or whatever. But I'm making it so I can amalgamate it with the Victorian forge diorama if I have to. May have to rename that into an early 20th century diorama, but there you go. Right, I'll go and light the boiler. Oh well, here we go. Wish me luck. Ah. There we go. It's got us a good lick, so my pulley should be alright for the dynamo. Oh, it'll also, which is nice. Oh well, it's not a bad thing then, that's a oscillator. Oh, girls will like it. Fancy views of my point. I'm fed up with making pulleys, but that's not too bad. What we got is steam pressure. That's about £20 in the boiler, but the valve's closed in. Not enough to get the whistle going properly. Oh, so it's making a noise anyway. Oh, that's it. Both of them going ready so. Need to put a fresh gas bottle in the boiler. As you can see, they work. Both of them together. So yeah, that'll make a little generator room diorama, I think. Lots of work to do yet, but yeah. And that's what goes in there. They both need running in quite a bit as well, but it's not bad. Let's have the chop of the poppet valve they do when they go slow. But there we go. I'll let them change gas bottles and see if it's better when it goes faster. Ah yes, there we go, a bit more steam pressure, about £35 now, and the 3-volt bulb is certainly better. But there she goes. Oh, working as they should. And the little oscillator's going as well. I'm quite pleased with that lot. So, another successful steam test. Oh, quite a bit of work to do now to make it into a diorama, but there we go. Right, thanks everybody for watching. Thank you.